the Mercedes-Benz 170S, a post-war icon of luxury and reliability. Welcome back to Luxury.com, where we bring you stories of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Today, we'll take a closer look at a car that symbolized hope, innovation, and luxury in the aftermath of World War II. This is the Mercedes-Benz 170S, a vehicle that helped rebuild the reputation of one of the world's most respected automakers. Let's explore its design, engineering, and legacy. Historical context: the resurgence of Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz 170S was introduced in 1949, just a few years after the end of World War II. Germany, like much of Europe, was in a state of reconstruction, and the automotive industry was no exception. Mercedes-Benz, already a prestigious name in the pre-war era, faced the challenge of rebuilding its brand. The 170S, which stood for Super, was designed as a more luxurious and refined version of the earlier 170 V model. It was a statement of resilience, innovation, and elegance. The 170S represented a turning point for Mercedes-Benz, marking its return to the luxury market and setting the stage for its future success. Exterior design: elegance in every line. The Mercedes-Benz 170S exudes understated elegance. Its design reflects the transitional period of the late 1940s, blending classic pre-war styling with modern touches that hinted at the future of automotive design. The long hood, upright grille, and flowing fenders are reminiscent of pre-war luxury cars, while the more streamlined bodywork and integrated headlights give it a contemporary feel. Chrome accents, large circular headlights, and the iconic three-pointed star on the grille add a touch of sophistication. The overall proportions of the car convey a sense of balance and refinement, making it a true standout on the road. The 170S was available in several body styles, including a four-door sedan, two-door coupe, and convertible, each designed to cater to the needs of different buyers. Powertrain engineering excellence. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz 170S was powered by a 1.8-liter inline-four engine. This engine produced 52 horsepower, offering a smooth and reliable performance that was ideal for both city driving and longer journeys. The 170S was equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, known for its precise shifting and durability. It could reach a top speed of around 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, which was impressive for a luxury car of its time. The engineering of the 170S emphasized efficiency and reliability, qualities that were highly valued in the post-war era. Mercedes-Benz ensured that this car was not only luxurious, but also practical and dependable. Interior: a luxurious retreat. The interior of the 170S was designed with comfort and luxury in mind. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin filled with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The seats were upholstered in leather, offering both durability and elegance. The dashboard featured a blend of polished wood and chrome, with beautifully designed gauges and controls. Every detail, from the classic steering wheel to the ornate door handles, was thoughtfully crafted. The spacious cabin made the 170S an excellent choice for long journeys, ensuring that passengers traveled in comfort and style. Whether you were behind the wheel or seated in the back, the 170S provided an experience of refinement that few cars of the time could match. Innovation and features. The Mercedes-Benz 170S wasn't just about luxury. It was also packed with innovative features for its time. The car was equipped with independent front suspension and a swing-axle rear suspension, which significantly improved ride quality and handling. This setup allowed the 170S to glide over rough roads with ease, providing a smooth and stable driving experience. The brakes were hydraulically operated, ensuring reliable stopping power, while the robust construction of the chassis added to the car's overall durability and safety. Cultural impact and legacy. The 170S quickly became a symbol of prestige and success in post-war Europe. It was a car for those who valued luxury, reliability, and the innovative spirit of Mercedes-Benz. Convertible versions, in particular, were seen as the epitome of style and elegance, often owned by prominent figures and celebrities. Today, the 170S is a cherished collector's item, admired for its timeless design and historical significance. Restored examples are highly sought after, often fetching significant sums at auctions. The 170S in modern times. The Mercedes-Benz 170S remains a shining example of post-war automotive excellence. It represents a time when Mercedes-Benz redefined itself, creating cars that combined luxury, innovation, and reliability. Owning a 170S today is more than just having a vintage car. It's about preserving a piece of history, a symbol of resilience and craftsmanship that continues to inspire. And that wraps up our journey into the world of the Mercedes-Benz 170S, a car that helped define an era. What do you think of this automotive masterpiece? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury.com for more stories of iconic cars from the past. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.